everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Tinder with your phone number. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Click open your web browser. In the URL box type in tinder.com. Press the enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in the official website of Tinder. Go and click on the login button at the top right corner, which will bring out a pop-up menu. You can log into your account with your Google, Facebook, and with your phone number. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in with your phone number. Click on Login with Phone Number option from the pop-up. Complete the verification by clicking on Verify. Complete the puzzle, pick the dice pair with the same icon facing up, and complete the rest of the task. Once the verification is completed, enter your phone number on the next pop-up. First, select your country from the drop-down and then type in your phone number. After you're done, click on Continue and you'll receive a verification code sent to your mobile number. Type in the code and click on Continue. Enter your email address in the next pop-up. Make sure to enter the correct one that is associated with your Tinder account. Click Continue one more time and you'll be logged into your Tinder account with your phone number. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.